Hi Prince and everyone with 911 Roofing. My name's Christian. I'm with RenGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you guys some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence on your own. Three things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. But before we get there, I'd like to point out that contrary to popular belief, your website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside services like Home Advisor and Angie's List for those leads. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you, so they're not going to be handed out to 3 or 4 different contractors. Moving forward, the first thing we're going to talk about is content. Search engines, Google in particular, love content. The more content you have, the better. The more visible you're going to become and the higher you're going to rank. The thing to remember is that content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos on your website and how the photos are saved and what's behind the photos and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles. So as far as actual words go, you want to have 1,500 words on any page you're trying to rank. So this is your roofing page I'm going to go to right now. I would say maybe 400 words max. So you're definitely going to want to pump that up as far as the words on your website. And also, I went through your photos. None of your photos are really saved as any buyer intent keywords or anything that's really going to bring you value. So just remember that search engines also read how you save your photos. That's very important. Very important. So 1,500 words on any page you're trying to rank, and then how you save your photos. So this is your roofing page. You need to up that. You're a roofing company, so let's go roof replacement. I would imagine that's another important one. And again, maybe just a couple hundred max, and some of that's just full of Northville, Plymouth, Canton, Westland, just areas that you work. So these really aren't even, the only real valuable stuff you're putting here is this roof replacement, and then your leak-free guarantee, and that's your own thing. But either way, you're going to want to pump up the number of words on any of these pages you're trying to rank. So it looks like commercial roofing isn't even really its own page. It's kind of just what you guys do. Maybe you want to make that its own page. You want to add 1,500 words to that. So just keep in mind that search engines love words, and photos and how the photos are saved. Moving forward, next, citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. And those directories include Facebook and Instagram and Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce. All of those directories give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you rank on this map pack. I know you guys are in Westland, but it does say you service other areas. I know Canton's a pretty big one. So I typed in roofing companies in Canton, Michigan. We got Victor's, WeatherGuard, and Rapid. You're not here. And the other thing I wanted to point out is, as you can see, like Kearns Brothers, right? So Kearns Brothers isn't in this map pack, but yet they're in the #1 position for Canton roofers. This has to do with their website, not citations. This has to do with their backlinks and the content that their website's providing. So the search engine is picking this website up, and they're in the #1 position, even though they're not in Canton, even though they're not in the map pack. That's where they're pulling up at. So very important to note that that's what your website can do. 12 Oaks Roofing, they're not there, but they're here. Tittle Brothers. These guys aren't in the map pack, but their websites are bringing them here with search engine optimization. Again, I typed in Novi, Michigan roofers. We got Crown Contracting, WeatherGuard, and we got McFarland, okay? And then if you look, Kearns Brothers. Again, Kearns Brothers is here in the 3rd position, but yet they're not in the map pack. Just goes to show you what a website can do. Spencer Roofing. These guys are here, but they're not in the map pack. So I did type in Roofers Westland. You did pull up in the 2nd position, so I'm sure you're getting a lot of calls for that. But again, and you are you're in the 6th position for Westland, but obviously, the further west we go, west, northwest, obviously, the more money. So just keep that in mind. I have your Google My Business page pulled up here. A couple things I want to point out: 21 reviews of the 5.0. Definitely something to be proud of, so keep up the good work on that. We recommend 25, so only 4 more to go. You're almost there. Keep up the good work. And then you do have a completed profile. The only other thing is these photos. We recommend 10 photos, which it looks like you have well above your 10 mark. So keep up the good work. Photos are fine. You're just going to want to make sure that all these photos are saved the right way. So a lot of times when we upload a photo to a computer, the computer just generates its own file name, and usually that's just some random numbers and letters. and we just click on the photo because it looks good and drag it and drop it. But you're going to want to delete that and make sure to save it the right way with the good content that Google's going to read. Just remember, it does read what the photos are saved as. And then the last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. What backlinks are is anywhere on the web that 911roofing.com is at. It's a good name, 911 Roofing. I would imagine when you thought about it, you dreamed of going big, or who knows? I don't know. Maybe you're trying to go big, maybe you're trying to go small, you're trying to expand. I'm not sure, but what a backlink is anywhere that 911 Roofing is at on the internet. And so you guys actually have 75 backlinks from 23 referring domains, but if you look, your domain rating is only a 0.4. That's a 0.4 out of 100, and that directly correlates to your power and your visibility. So very low visibility with that. The thing to remember is not all backlinks are created equal, and so you want to make sure that your backlinks come from powerful sites that aren't spammy. And so if you're getting your backlinks from lawn chairs in Florida, then it's actually going to downrank you, which could be happening here. So while you only have 75 backlinks, I would suggest removing some that are not bringing you any value, and then adding some that are some backlinks are free, some you pay for, but do your homework and get yourself some good ones. So I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you take the time to implement these tips and tricks and strategies into your website to bring you some new leads this upcoming season. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. Feedback, and thank you very much.